Okay, welcome to the first video on installing Debian. After I've installed this video, I'll make another one then on how to add it to Active Directory. So to make a new server, or new client, we need to go to the Home tab, create a new virtual machine, pick Custom, click Next, browse to the Debian ISO that I want. So I'll browse to that. Next, Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit is fine. Click Next, browse. I made a folder on my C drive called Debian1. Okay, I'm going to click Next. Next, I'm going to give it 10 gig so that I can get to this quickly. Next, I'm going to leave it on NAT because I'm going to need to get the updates for the server as soon as we got it. Click Next to these. We can accept all the defaults and finish. Okay, what I will be doing, I'll pause the recording every so often, just rather than just watching the progress bar. Click Start, then I'll click in the window here, and Debian will start up the virtual machine. Click in the window. I want the graphic installed, so I'll click Enter. English, United Kingdom, British English, just going to go through installing all the necessary bits. Okay, give it a name. I'll call it Debian lesson. I'll just call it one like that. Continue. Domain name, we can skip that. Then I'm going to use the usual password that we've been using. Going to put in test. The user can be called test. It'll accept that test. And again, put the password in. I'm using the same one as we always use. And then it's quite a quick install actually, it's not too bad. There are a few things we need to watch out for. So guided, use the entire disk. I'm not going to partition it. Continue again, and then finish partitioning and write changes to disk. And then yes, I want to go ahead and do it. And now it'll install the system. Click no to that. There's no more media. So United Kingdom. This is the mirror it's going to go to. We'll let it go there. Continue to that one. and I'll pause the video here, pick up when it gets to near the end. Okay, the next thing you'll get is, do I want to supply information back on how things are going? I'm going to click no. I'm going to accept the default options. Okay, so the install went all the way through. I'm going to say yes to this. Then you've got to remember to click this one here. I don't enter the device manually, just leave it go where it wants to go. Click continue. Okay, installation complete. So reboot. You don't have to press anything here, just leave it automatically. Click the Debian. It'll just does it for you. And once this boots up, that will complete the install and all the options that you need to pick. So it's not much of a screen. I think you have to configure it a lot. Click skip tour, and that's it. Debian is set up. So that shows you all the options you need to pick. In the next video now, I'll add it to the to a server.